Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove these lamina or whatever they're called cores. I'm going to show you how to wash them, and I'm also going to show you how to replace the O-rings and make sure that you have all the parts for it. So to start, you're going to want to take off all 7 of these bolts, and depending on what you're using, whether you're using 2 or 3, so the old versus new, and what you're going to do is you're just going to put a hose clamp on there. You're just going to literally twist and pull up at the same time, and then it slides right out. As you can see, this one's not too dirty, but you see how there's no ring? Oh, there is, but there's only one washer. There's a thin one. There's also a thick one down there. Oh, well, good thing I'm replacing them, so that's good. But yeah, there's a thick one down there. On every single one, you're going to have a thin one and a thick one. This one's, I'd say about 100 thousandths thick, and that one's super thin. It's basically a shim. But yeah, you're going to take those out, and then if you need help, you can also use one of these tools to yank out the O-ring at the bottom, pull it out, and just replace them, which they look like that. ZZP sells them pretty cheap. You can get a set of 8 for like $8 or whatever it is. There's 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. And depending on which way you put these, which in this case I have 2 in and then 2 out right here. And what that does is it's for the dual pass end plate. If you have the single pass, or I should say the quadruple pass or whatever it's called, the stock end plate, it's going to go in, out, in, out. This core is an out, so it's flowing this way. This is an in, so the core is flowing in. This one's out, so it's flowing out. If you have them the wrong way, there will be back pressure, and it will leak into the intake manifold, and then it will get into your engine, which then you'll burn coolant, and it doesn't look good. So this is what they look like, and it will be set up just like this. You'll have the O-ring, the thick washer, and then the shim. And basically what that does is down there you'll have the facing this way is the O-ring, then the washer, then the shim. And on the other side, on this side, it's the same way. So you have the shim down there, you have the washer, and then of course the O-ring will go right on top.